Cooper Island, British Virgin Islands. This was our view as we got started. You can see some things flying through the air. Those likely are some raindrops. Still some showers to contend with over the course of this next day or so, but really seeing some improvements as we head for our Friday. You can see the stratus cloud deck off to the upper levels of our atmosphere. It'll go and it'll push further eastward, and we'll see less in the way of some cloud cover, more in the way, of course, of that sunshine. Flood watches are done for, but off to the north still do have a small craft advisory. We're talking about north of St. Thomas and St. John. So if you're doing any travel here, especially away from the immediate water's edge, watch out for some larger waves as well as some choppy waters and some strong winds accompanying this storm system. It's well off to the north, our center of low pressure, but we're still seeing a pretty good area of moisture. The strongest convection is pushing through the Lesser Antilles right now in through Guadalupe, places like Anguilla as well. But Puerto Rico is starting to clear on out, and we'll continue to see that from west to east over the course of these next couple of days. So here's 12:30 p.m. on Friday. We are out in the clear. The showers actually starting to taper a bit as this front loses a lot of the steam down to the south. Then as we continue for our Saturday morning, the sunshine remaining strong here as well as off to the west, but those clouds and showers kind of stagnant across the majority of those Lesser Antilles. Decreasing in coverage though as we head for our Sunday second half of the weekend, looking better than the first half down there. Our showers are done for though as we continue into tonight. Tomorrow morning, can't rule out a few stray ones, especially for the first half of the morning, but then as we head for 1-2 p.m., in comes that sunshine, bright. We'll feel, certainly with all the cloud cover we have seen, as well as those heavier storms and showers, some much needed sunshine continuing not just for our Friday, but also as we head into Saturday. Futurecast rainfall amounts, as you can see, not seeing any of that green or that blue shading. So that means rainfall amounts, if we do see any, likely just a trace to 1/10 of an inch, if that. So really not expecting a whole lot in terms of additional rainfall accumulation. Future winds will be coming from the north, so not our typical easterlies. You can see they have a little bit of a magnitude. That's why we do have some larger waves north of St. Thomas, north of St. John. This is the area here where nothing's really kind of stopping that wave action, and we do see those winds still a bit elevated as they try and rotate a little bit more to the east, and eventually will be doing so in the coming days. Wave heights though, as a result, as we head for our Friday afternoon, looking good. Some deeper shades of blue, and that means wave heights only a couple of feet likely for the open waters there, but off to the north still dealing with some lighter shades of blue as well as some shades there getting into the green category. So that's several feet in terms of those waves north of St. Thomas. Right to our forecast for Friday, sunny skies, can't rule out a morning shower, 79 up to 80, 82. So not the warmest temperatures we have seen, but we're building more warmth over the course of these next few days. 84, a common theme for these next Saturday and Sunday. The weekend shaping up to be phenomenal. Monday, Tuesday, building in even a little bit more warmth. We're going 86 degrees